Sabi ni Mother Teresa, holiness is the perfection of a single virtue. Holiness also is the devotion, a deep devotion to a single saint. What I do is that I provide, that's why I try to gain as much knowledge as I can about saints so that I can provide people with options. And not all should do that. The options, when they come to you choose one, and be devoted to that option. Ngayon, merong sinasabi si Pope Francis na warning. When you are devoted to a saint, do not expect that you should become exactly like that saint. Sabi niya sa Gaudete et Exsultate. That is the danger daw sometimes of having saints. It could be two things. Number one, yung isa, masyado mong idol yung santo, na nafo-frustrate ka sa sarili mo pag hindi ka parehong-pareho ng santo na yon. Ang sabi ni Pope Francis, in the end, God will not ask you, why are you not Saint Ignatius of Loyola? Why are you not Saint Francis of Assisi? Why are you not the Blessed Virgin Mary? God will ask us, why are you not you? Why did you not perfect yourself? Yun ang mahalaga, no? Na itong mga modelo natin, modelo lang sila, pero yung holiness, nakamolde sa pagkatao natin. Yun yung first danger. Yung second danger daw, sabi ni Pope Francis sa Gaudete et Exsultate, people will get discouraged. Ay, masyadong mabait yan, hindi ko kaya. Ay, tinutubuan niya ng sugat sa katawan, hindi ko kaya. Ay, nagpapugot siya ng ulo, hindi ko kaya. Hindi na ako magiging santo. Yung isa, napofrustrate siya, hindi siya namolde. Yung isa, napofrustrate siya kasi hindi niya kaya. Masyadong na-discourage. So, we should avoid that, sabi ni Pope Francis. Have them as our models, but do not expect that you will become exactly like them.